Hi everyone, welcome to Mindful Crafts and More. I'm Katrina. If this is your first time checking out my channel, welcome. Take a look at this video or any of my other videos, and if you find yourself inspired, join my channel. For those of you who are returning, welcome back. I really appreciate you just hanging out with me for a bit. So hi everyone, today is VEDA number 6, and I am still excited. Things today were a little busy, and I wasn't unfortunately able to work on my doily. So I still have the one round left to go. But I did work on a project after being inspired by another Yarny friend of mine by the name of Lisa over at Ladybird Loves. And so I wanted to show you what I made that I was inspired by her. First, let me show you a few bracelets that I had made that I think you guys have seen before. And these are made with tatting, okay? So here's an example of one of my tatted bracelets, all right? And as you see, there are a series of rings and chains. I did 2 colors and then just kind of put a knot on the ends, kind of like a friendship style bracelet, all right? So this is 1 ring, 1 chain, 1 ring, 1 chain until I got it as wide as I thought it should be. All right, now here's another example here. And this one was an oops moment, all right? Why was this an oops moment? Because I wasn't really paying attention and I meant to do another chain and I actually did a ring. So that's okay. I just turned it into a new design and did 3 rings in the middle and then just reversed what I had done before to get them to be about the same size as this one here. So if you look here where the knots are and you bring it all the way over, they're actually the same length. And that's good. So it wasn't too big or too small. I was able to make that design work. All right. So now here's another one here. And this one also, I was able to do the 3 rings in the middle, but what I tried to do there was orient them in such a way that it was alternating with respect to the 2 colors, which one was on top and which one was on the bottom, and then did the reverse to get it to be like this. So I really do like now playing around with this 2 color split ring, and yeah, I really do like it. All right, so I like playing around with the colors and I've done quite a few of them in different colors and just having fun on a roll. These really don't take very long to make them. And as you see, you can make adjustments. Now, the second thing I did as I was working on these was I happened to look at a couple of other videos and was inspired to try my hand at a little bit of kind of macrame techniques to make this bracelet. Now, this is not tatting. This is more like what you would do with paracord, all right? And it's more macrame technique, whether it's a half knot or a square knot or what have you, all right? So that's how I made this. And as you see, there are multiple strands here compared to the single stranded knots that I made here, okay? All right, now let's get on to my reason for starting this video. And I am just so in love with this. And I want to say thank you so much to Lisa for a beautiful pattern and for all the work that she puts into the patterns that she does. Lisa actually takes the time to do right and left-handed. And I am just amazed at that. I happened to be talking with Pricilla over at Distinctive Crochet, and she was giving me some really good, helpful tips on how to get videos so that they will be something that's helpful for a right-handed person or a left-handed person. And now I see that I'm going to have to try to do that to accomplish that. But in any case, Lisa does crochet left and right-handed, and I just think that is awesome. So as I was continuing to search for bracelets, I also needed to catch up on videos from many of you guys. I happened upon a couple of videos for bracelets that were uploaded by Lisa over at Ladybird Loves. I took a look at the one that I made and I was just so inspired. I grabbed my materials and I went ahead and made one up. Lisa, awesome. Thank you so much for the inspiration. So let's take a look to see what I made. Isn't that beautiful? So this is Lisa's flat beaded crocheted bracelet. And she has 2 tutorials up to show you how to do it if you are right-handed or if you're a southpaw like me. All right, so I love it. Let's take a look up close. Isn't that beautiful? I just love how this bracelet came out. I used some really small glass beads. I don't know the size of them because I don't have the container that they were in, but the crochet cotton, I believe, is the appropriate size for them. This is a size 10. I took her suggestion and did just a very short set of chains at the very beginning, and also finished it off with the same number of chains. And I just love this. All right, I think it fits perfectly. Yeah, thank you so much, Lisa. All right, so now what I did on this is, as you see, I left a very long um, tail on both ends. And the reason I did that was because I really wasn't sure if the size 10 thread will tolerate the adjustable closure. And so I do want some input from any of you guys on the closure. So Lisa, if you can let me know, do you think I should ply this for the closure, or would one strand be enough? All right, but I love this. All right, now let's take a look at the crochet cotton that I used. So this is the color here. And it's just so beautiful with all these beautiful, beautiful pastels. It is Aunt Lydia's Classic 10. All right. And it's 300 yards. And the yarn, I'm sorry, the thread is pastels variegated ombre. All right. So just what we see. Beautiful, beautiful ombre of pastels. All right, just beautiful. All right, so what do you guys think? I just love these bracelets and the way they turned out. And again, one form of needlework, you can still accomplish the same thing. How about that? All right, so now that's all I have as far as the crafting is concerned, but I do want to give you guys the results of the word jumble that we have been doing. So this is the result and the solution for yesterday's puzzle. And this is what I came up with. And here is the puzzle for today. I am really enjoying doing this, and I hope you guys are too. Thank you so much for participating with the word jumble and everything. It is so, so appreciated. Now, guys, I'm not going to hold you long because I promised I would try to do the bulk of the videos a little shorter. So I want each and every one of you to be mindful, to do everything you can to be at your best health. And by all means, guys, be crafty every day. I will see you guys on tomorrow. Bye-bye now.